Okay, now we will continue the chapter again. Said to say Connie, freeze 1, 2 goals to 1. Means he was saying to Connie that I am feeling very sad. Why he was feeling sad? Because the Germans have won the match by 2 goals. But as Hans Wolf generously means willingly, he said that our goal was wider than their, so it wasn't quite fair. What he said, that our goal post was more wider than the this English troops goal post, so it was not a very fair to say that we have won the match. Okay, the time came, and all too soon, when the game was finished, the schnapps and the rum and the sausage had long since run out, and we knew it all was over. Means after the game, when after sometimes na, when they finished their rum, sausages, their food, so they came to know that now the everything is finished. So he said to Hans Wolf that I wished Hans well and told him. So he wished him and told him that I hope he would see his family again soon, that the fighting would end and we could all go home. So he said to the Hans that I wish and I hope that you will go and meet your family soon again, and after the fighting would finish, we would all can go to our home. सो मीन्स वो कहना चाहता था कि जब ये मैं चाहता हूँ और मैं ये होप रखता हूँ कि तुम्हारी फैमिली से जल्द ही मिलो और ये जो फाइटिंग हो रही है, जो वॉर हो रहा है, वो भी ख़त्म हो जाए और हम हमारे घर जल्दी से लौट सके. I think that is what every soldier wants on both the side. Was the Hans Wolf said that from both the side soldiers wish that this war should get over and they can go to their home. Who said this? Hans Wolf said this. Okay, now take care, Jim McPherson. I shall never forget this moment, nor you. While going now, he says to Jim McPherson that I will never forget the moment which we shared together today, and I think that you will also not forget. You will also never forget this moment. He saluted and walked away from me slowly, unwillingly. अनविलिंगली मीन्स उसकी इच्छा नहीं हो रही थी वहाँ से जाने के लिए, फिर भी उसे वहाँ से जाना पड़ा. ही सल्यूटेड एज द सोल्जर मीट्स ईच अदर ना, दे सल्यूट्स टू ईच अदर. सो व्हेन ही वाज गोइंग ही सल्यूटेड एंड वॉकड अवे फ्रॉम Hans. Who walked away? Hans Wolf walked away from Jim McPherson. He was walking very slowly and unwillingly. I felt, means who felt that he was going unwillingly? Jim McPherson felt that Hans Wolf is going unwillingly towards their side. He turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey-coated men drifting back towards their trenches. Means after when he when he thought na that Hans Wolf is going unwillingly to his side, after then he what he saw that he turned to wave just once. Wave means showing the hands while we say goodbye na to someone. In the same way he turned to wave just once and then back one of the hundreds of grey-coated men, means where the other German soldiers were sitting na in that trenches. Trenches means the holes digged in the ground where the soldiers hide so the enemy soldiers can't see them. So where the hundred of other soldiers were hiding na, he also went there and get to mixed with the other soldiers. That night back in our dugout, dugout means the hole in the ground, and where the soldiers take the shelter to hide. That is called dugout. We heard them, means after when the Hans Wolf gone to his dugout, na, after that also these English soldiers were able to hear their voice. They were singing a carol. Carol is a kind of song which is sung on the Christmas days, and singing it quite beautifully. It was the Stille Nacht, silent night, means it was a very silent kind of night in which they were able to hear the carol songs from the German soldiers. Our boys gave them a rushing chorus of wild shepherds watched, means when the Germans were singing na, from this side English soldiers were also giving the chorus to them. We exchanged chorals for a while, and then we all fell silent, means for sometimes they were singing, but after they all kept, means they all fell silent, means they all sit quietly on their own dugouts. We had had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as I live. Treasure means khazana, means according to him this was the treasure. On treasure means what kind of treasure, किस तरीके का खजाना था, वो एक दूसरे के साथ जो उन्होंने शांति से और अच्छे से प्यार से जो समय बिताया था, वो मोमेंट उसके लिए ट्रेजर था, और वो अपने साथ वो जब तक जिएंगे तब तक हमेशा उसे याद रखेंगे और अपने साथ रखेंगे.